Hello friends, now we will start the new chapter, chapter number 3, triangles. And in this chapter, we will learn theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Next, congruence of triangles, theorem of an isosceles triangle, property of 30, 60, 90 degree angle triangle, median of a triangle, property of median on hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, perpendicular bisector theorem and angle bisector theorem, and last, similar triangles. Okay. Now in this video, I will explain all examples from practice set 3.1. Now let's learn theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Now see this here. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of its remote interior angles. Okay, now see this here, that in triangle PQR, angle PRS is the exterior angle. Okay, now here given angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Now to prove, measure of angle PRS is equals to measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR. Okay, that is the measure of exterior angle is equals to the sum of measures of remote interior angle. Now the proof. The sum of all angles of triangles is 180, and therefore we can write the measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QRP. QRP plus measure of angle PRQ is equals to 180. This is the first expression. Next, measure of angle PRQ. PRQ plus measure of angle PRS is equals to 180. This is the second one. Angles in linear pair. Okay. आता या दोन्ही कोणांच्या मापां तिन्ही कोणांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180, या दोन्ही कोणांच्या मापांची 180 बेरीज. Okay. Their right hand sides are equal, therefore their left hand sides are also equal. And therefore we can write measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QRP plus measure of angle PRQ is equals to measure of angle PRQ plus measure of angle PRS. आता या दोन्ही साईडला कॉमन काय, तर ते आपण दोन्ही बाजूने कट करणार, which is the common. Okay. Now here the measure of angle PRQ, here is a PRQ, here PRQ, हे दोन्ही साईडला आपण इथे कट करणार. Okay. Therefore the measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR is equals to measure of angle PRS, eliminating measure of angle PRQ from both sides. Okay. Now in this way we have proved that the measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. Okay. Now next. Okay. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Now see this here, the same figure is here. Sum of two positive numbers a plus b, that is a plus b is a greater than a and greater than b also. Okay, that is a plus b is greater than a plus b is greater than b. Using this inequality, we get one property related to exterior angle of a triangle. If angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR, then measure of angle, that is a PRS, is greater than measure of angle this P, and measure of angle PRS is greater than measure of angle this Q. Okay. Therefore, an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior. एक्सटर्नल अँगलचं मेजर हे त्याच्या रिमोट इंटिरियर अँगल्स पेक्षा कसं असतं, तर ते जास्त असतं. ओके. नाव नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट एक्झाम्पल. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, द मेजर्स ऑफ angles of a triangles are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find the measures. Now the solution. Let the measures of angles of a triangles be 5x, 6x, 7x. Therefore, their sum. That is a common multiple be x. इथे आपण घेतलेलं आहे. Measure of first angle किती तर 5x होणार. Measure of second angle is 6x and third angle is 7x. Their sum is equals to 180. Okay. And therefore 5x plus 6x plus 7x is 18x and that is equals to 180 degree. And therefore x is equals to 180 degree upon 18. Then you will get here x is equals to 10. Common multiple किती आला तर ते 10 आला. The measure of first angle 5x is equals to 5 into 10. Then you will get equal to 50 degree. Measure of second angle 6x is equals to 6 into 10. You will get here 60 degree. Measure of third angle 7x is equals to 7 into 10. You will get here 70 degree. Okay. Therefore, the measures of angles of triangle are 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree. Okay. Now next. Observe figure and find measures of angle PRS, PRS and measure of angle RTS, RTS. Okay. या दोन angles आपल्याला measure find out करायचं आहे. First the measure of angle PRS. Measure of angle PRS हा कसा आहे तर तो extra angle आहे कुठल्या triangleचा triangle PQR. Okay. Now see this here. The angle PRS is an extra angle of triangle PQR and therefore from the theorem of remote interior angles, measure of angle PRS is equals to measure of angle PQR plus measure of angle QPR. Okay. आणि किती येते मेजर इथे तर PQRचं 40 डिग्री आहे QPRचं 30 डिग्री आहे 40 degree plus 30 degree, you will get here 70 degree. Therefore, measure of angle PRS is equals to 70 degree. आता पुढचा triangle consider करना इथे. That is a triangle in triangle RTS. Okay. Now see this here. The measure of angle TRS, sum of measures of all angles of this triangle. Okay. Measure of angle TRS plus measure of angle RTS plus measure of angle TSR is equals to 180. 180 लिहिणार sum of all angles of a triangle. Easy येते. Next आपल्याला ज्याचं मेजर माहिती आहे त्या व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. व्हॉट इज दॅट मेजर ऑफ अँगल TRS. इथे आपण फाइंड आउट केलंय मेजर ऑफ अँगल TRS. PRS म्हणजेच काय तर TRS त्याचं मेजर किती इथे 70 डिग्री प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल RTS. ओके अँड द नेक्स्ट मेजर ऑफ अँगल TSR. त्याचं मेजर इथे किती आहे तर 20 डिग्री आहे 70 डिग्री प्लस 20 डिग्री यू विल गेट हियर 90 डिग्री. ओके therefore measure of angle RTS plus 90 degree is equals to 180. आता measure of angle RTS is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. You will get here 90 degree. Okay. And hence here the measure of angle RTS आपल्याला find out करायचा होता तर तो किती आला measure of angle RTS is equals to 90 degree. Okay. Now next, prove that the sum of exterior angles of a triangle obtained by extending its sides in the same direction is 360 degree. सर्व exterior angles measure triangleच्या ते किती असतं its a sum is equals to 360 degree. Now see this here the figure that given angle PAB and angle QBC and angle ACR are exterior angle of triangle ABC. Okay. Now to prove that measure of angle PAB plus measure of angle QBC plus measure of angle ACR is equals to 360. Now we'll prove this. First the method 1. Considering exterior angle PAB of triangle ABC. PAB हा exterior angle consider करना triangle ABC चा. Now next angle ABC and angle ACB are its remote interior angle. ओके, PAB चे रिमोट इंटिरियर PAB त्याचे रिमोट इंटिरियर अँगल्स कोणते होणार? तर अँगल ACB and angle ABC. These are its remote interior angles. Okay, and therefore measure of angle PAB is equals to sum of its remote interior. मग याचे रिमोट इंटिरियर कोणते होणार? अँगल मेजर ऑफ अँगल ABC plus measure of angle ACB, and this is the first expression. Next, similarly, measure of angle, this is the ACR. ACR हा कसा आहे इथे exterior angle आहे. Therefore, its remote interior angles are measure of angle ABC and the measure of angle BAC. These are the its remote interior angle. Therefore, measure of angle ACR is equals to measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle BAC. This is the second expression, theorem of the remote interior angles. Okay, and the last, measure of angle CBQ is equals to measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ACB. This is the third one. Okay, and now see this here, the same steps is repeated here. त्या स्टेप्स आपण इथे लिहिलं आहे आपल्याला रेफरन्ससाठी. नेक्स्ट स्लाइडमध्ये फिगर पण आपण घेतलेली आहे. ॲडिंग 1 2 3 हे तिन्ही एक्सप्रेशन्स आपण ॲड करणार. दॅट इज द मेजर ऑफ अँगल PAB मेजर ऑफ प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल ACR अँड प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल CBQ. हे म्हणजे सगळे एक्स्ट्रा अँगल आहेत त्या ट्रायंगल ABCचे. अँड दॅट्स इक्वल्स टू मेजर ऑफ अँगल ABC प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल ACB plus measure of angle ABC plus BAC plus measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ACB. ओके, आणि हे सर्व 2 टाइम्स आहेत, 2 कॉमन घेणार अँड इन ब्रॅकेट मेजर ऑफ अँगल ABC plus measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle BAC. Okay, now what is the sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 into 2, then you will get here 360, and hence the sum of exterior angles of triangles is equals to 360. and in this way we have proved it. ओके, या प्रकारे आपण ते प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे. इझी थेरम आहे तो. नाव नेक्स्ट, दिस इज दी मेथड 2 पण तुम्ही इथे अप्लाय करू शकताय. what is here the in the second method, measure of angle C plus F is equals to 180. C plus F is equals to 180. These are the linear pair. Also A plus D is equals to 180. B plus E, that is equals to also 180. ओके, आणि हे तिन्ही एक्सप्रेशन आपण काय करणार तर ऍड करणार. दॅट इज द मेजर ऑफ अँगल C प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल F प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल A प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल D प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल B प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल E, and that is equals to 180 plus 180 180. Okay, means what? 180 into 3, then you will get here 540 degree. Okay, आता इथे काय करणार तर एक्स्ट्रा अँगल आपल्याला माहिती आहे कोणकोणते, त्यांचा एक ग्रुप तयार करणार. दॅट इज अँगल F, अँगल E अँड अँगल D. ओके, अँगल F, अँगल D अँड अँगल E. आणि दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये काय घेतलं तर अँगल्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स, दॅट इज ABC. ओके, दॅट इज इक्वल्स टू 540 डिग्री. बट व्हॉट अबाउट द मेजर ऑफ अँगल A plus this B plus C, and that is equals to 180. That is the sum of angles of the triangles. मग हा 180 पलीकडे जाणार. Therefore measure of angle F plus D plus E is equals to 540 degree minus 180, and then you will get here F plus D plus E is equals to 360. Okay, and in this way we have proved it. Next question. In figure, bisectors of angle B and angle C. B चा बायसेक्टर काय तर BP आहे, C चा बायसेक्टर CP आहे. Of triangle ABC intersect at point P. Okay. Now the next, prove that the measure of angle BPC is equals to 90 plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. Okay, 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. Complete the proof filling in the blanks. Okay, now proof in triangle ABC. Okay, measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle ACB is equals to 180. That is the sum of angles of triangles. Next, now the half of all these angles, that is half of measure of angle BAC plus half of measure of angle ABC plus half of measure of angle ACB is equals to 1 upon 2 into again here 180, that is a multiply each term by 1 upon 2. Okay, and next 1 upon 2 into 180 degree, you will get here 90 degree. Now the next measure of angle 1 upon 2 BAC हा आपण as it is इथे घेणार. But what about the measure of angle 1 upon 2 ABC? ABC चा half किती येणार? That is the measure of angle PBC. Okay. Next, half of the angle ACB. ACB चा half काय असणार आहे? Measure of angle PCB. Okay, and that's equals to 90 degree. Now the next. Okay. Therefore, the measure of angle PBC, measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB is equals to 90 minus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. Okay. 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC आपण right hand side ला shift करणार, and this is the first expression. Okay. Now the next, again see this here. In triangle BPC हा consider करणार. In triangle BPC, measure of angle BPC plus measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB is equals to 180 degree. Sum of measures of angles of a triangle. Okay, आता इथे sum of measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB substitute करणार. Okay, and what is that value? ती value किती येते? That measure of angle PBC plus measure of angle PCB. PBC plus PCB is nothing but 90 degree minus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. ती value आपण इथे substitute केलेली आहे. Okay, and next, therefore measure of angle BPC is equals to 180 minus, हे shift करणार पलीकडे 180 degree minus in bracket 90 degree minus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC. Okay, therefore 180 degree minus 90 degree minus that will become plus 1 upon 2 BAC. 180 degree minus 90 degree, you will get here 90 degree plus 1 upon 2 measure of angle BAC, and hence the measure of angle BPC is equals to 90 degree plus 1 upon 2 BAC, and in this way we have proved this. Okay, now we'll start the practice set 3.1. Okay, now the first example, in figure angle ACD is an external angle of triangle ABC. ACD हा external angle है triangle ABC चा. Measure of angle B is equals to 40 degree. Measure of angle A is equals to 70 degree. Find measure of angle ACD. Okay, now the solution is the question है तो measure of angle BAC is equals to 70 degree. Measure of angle ABC is equals to 40 degree. ACD is an external angle of triangle ABC. Therefore, measure of angle ACD is equals to sum of its remote interior. कुठला angle A and angle B. That is measure of angle BAC plus measure of angle ABC. Okay, 70 degree plus 40 degree, and that is equals to 110 degree. Therefore, measure of angle ACD is equals to 110 degree, 110 degree. Okay, and in this way, this is the answer. Measure of angle ACD is equals to 110 degree. Now next, in triangle PQR, measure of angle P is 70 degree, Q is 65 degree. Then find the measure of angle R. Okay, that's a easy question. Sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180. Therefore, measure of angle P plus Q plus R is equals to 180 degree. Each measure किती आहे? The 70 degree. Q is a 65 degree plus measure of angle R is equals to 180. 70 degree plus 65, then you will get here 135 degree plus measure of angle R is equals to 180 degree, and therefore measure of angle R is equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Therefore measure of angle R is equals to 45 degree. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, next, the measures of angles of triangles are x degree, and in the bracket x minus 20 degree, next x minus 40 degree. Find the measures of each angle. Okay, now the measures of angles of triangles are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. Their sum is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Therefore, x minus 20 degree plus x minus 40 degree is equals to 180. आता किती x आहे तिथे? 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, 3x minus 20 minus 40, you will get here minus 60 is equals to 180. And therefore, 3x is equals to 180 plus 60. Then you will get here 3x is equals to 240. Therefore, x is equals to 240 upon 3. Therefore, x is equals to 240 la 3 ne divide karna. Then you will get here x is equals to 80 degree. Okay. Now, x is equals to 80 degree. What about the next angle? X minus 20 degree means what? 80 minus 20 किती येणार तर ते 60 degree. X minus 40 degree means what? 80 minus 40 degree, you will get here 40 degree. Okay. Therefore, the measures of the angles of triangles are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. Okay. Now next, the measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measures of the three angles. Okay. Now see this here. Let the measure of the smallest angle be x. आणि दुसरा कसा आहे तर त्याचा ट्वाइस आहे आणि तिसरा कसा तर त्याचा थ्राइस आहे. Therefore, according to the given condition, measures of other angles of the triangles are 2x degree and the 3x degree. Therefore, x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree is equals to 180 degree. That is the sum of measures of all angles of triangles is 180. And therefore, here x plus 2x plus 3x, that is the 6x is equals to 180. Therefore, x is equals to 180 upon 6, x is equals to 30 degree. Okay. Now, the measure of second angle, which is the 2x, which is 2 into 30. Then you will get here 60 degree. Measure of third angle, kiti? 3 into x, 3 into 30 degree, you will get here 90 degree. Okay. And in this way, the measures of the three angles of the triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now, next question. Okay. And this is the triangle. Right angle triangle असणार आहे तो. Next question. In the figure, measures of some angles are given. Using the measures, find the values of x, y, z. Okay. Now the solution. इथे या figure मध्ये तुम्ही बघू शकताय. We want to find out the measure of angle x, y, z. हे दोन्ही लिनियर पेअर आहे. Their sum is equals to 180. त्यावरनं z फाइंड आउट करणार आणि हे देखील लिनियर पेअर आहे. Their sum is equals to 180. Using this, we will find out the value of y. आणि फायनली the sum of angles of triangles is equals to 180 आणि त्यावरून आपण x चं मेजर फाइंड आउट करणार. Now here the measure of angle TEN plus measure of angle NEM is equals to 180. 100 degree plus y is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, y is equals to 180 minus 100 degree. And therefore, y is equals to 80 degree. Next, measure of angle EMR plus measure of angle EMN is equals to 180 degree. That is 140 degree plus z degree. Z is equals to 180. Okay. Therefore, z is equals to 180 degree minus 140. Therefore, z is equals to 40 degree. Next, in triangle NEM. आता ह्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये कन्सिडर करणार NEM मध्ये. Okay. That is a measure of angle. That is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is equals to 180 degree. या ठिकाणी आता y आणि z च्या व्हॅल्यूज सबस्टिट्यूट करणार तिथे. ओके. y किती आहे तर 80 डिग्री, z किती आहे तर 40 डिग्री. ओके. Therefore, x plus 80 degree plus 40 degree is equals to 180 degree. X plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore, x is equals to 60 degree. Therefore, the answer is x is equals to 60 degree, y is equals to 80 degree, z is equals to 40 degree. Now the next. In the figure, line AB is parallel to line DE. Find the measures of angle DRE, DRE, and the measure of angle ARE. That is ARE. Okay, measure of angle DRE and the measure of angle ARE. This is the DRE and the measure of angle ARE. We want to find out the measure of these two angles. Okay, as these two lines are parallel, ह्या दोन्ही lines कशा आहेत तर parallel आहे, ही त्याची transversal आहे. Therefore, the measure of angle BAD is equals to measure of angle ADE. ते कसे आहेत तर ते अल्टरनेट अँगल्स आहेत, म्हणजे आपल्याला हा मेजर मिळतो. नेक्स्ट, दी सम ऑफ अँगल्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री. म्हणजे आपण या दोघांची टोटल करणार, ती 180 मायनस करणार, देन यू विल गेट द measure of angle DRE. ओके, अँड द नेक्स्ट measure of angle ARE. पुन्हा नंतर हे दोन्ही कसे असतील, दे आर the linear pair angle, and using that you can find out, or remote interior extra angle पण तो theorem तिथे अप्लाय करू शकता तुम्ही. that is measure of this angle is equals to sum of its remote interior, म्हणजे या दोघांची टोटल means what, 70 degree plus 40 degree, then you will get a 110 degree. that is the measure of angle ARE is equals to 110 degree. Okay, see this here, line AB is a parallel to line DE. These two lines are parallel. Okay, and line AD ही त्याची कशी आहे तर ती ट्रान्सवर्सल आहे. Therefore, the measure of angle BAD is congruent to measure of angle EDA. EDA. These are the alternate angles. We know the measure of angle BAD, that is equals to 70 degree, and therefore measure of angle EDA is equals to also 70 degree. Okay, that is measure of angle EDR is equals to 70 degree. त्याचं मेजर आपल्याला इथे मिळालंय. नेक्स्ट, measure of angle or angle ARE is an extra angle. ARE is extra angle of triangle RDE. या RD चा ARE हा कसा आहे तर तो एक्स्ट्रा अँगल आहे, आणि त्याचा मेजर कसा असणार आहे, सम ऑफ इट्स रिमोट इंटिरियर. दॅट इज द मेजर ऑफ अँगल D प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल DER. ओके, आणि मग आपण दिलं मेजर ऑफ अँगल ARE इज इक्वल्स टू मेजर ऑफ अँगल DRE प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल DER. ओके, आणि त्या दोघांचं मेजर तिथे आपण सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. ओके, substitute the value 70 degree plus 40 degree. Therefore, measure of angle ARE is equals to 110 degree. Okay, now the next, the measure of angle ARE plus measure of angle DRE is equals to 180 degree. ARE चा मेजर किती आहे तर 110 डिग्री, हा एक्स्ट्रा अँगल आपण आता फाइंड आउट केलाय, प्लस मेजर ऑफ अँगल DRE is equals to 180. ते linear pair angles आहे. Therefore, the measure of angle DRE is equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Therefore, you will get here 70 degree. Okay. Therefore, the measure of angle DRE is equals to 70 degree, and the measure of angle ARE is equals to 110. Okay. Now, next, question number 7. In triangle ABC, bisector of angle A and angle B intersect at point O. If measure of angle C is equals to 70 degree, find the measure of angle AOB. Now see this here. We want to find out the measure of angle AOB. आपण आता फॉर्म्युला पण इथे डिराइव्ह केलेला आहे, लास्टचा जो क्वेश्चन होता त्यामध्ये. ओके, दी मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज इक्वल्स टू, म्हणजे एओबीचं काय मेजर येणार तर तो आपल्याला डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला पण माहिती होता. एओबी इज इक्वल्स टू 90 प्लस हाफ ऑफ दिस अँगल, म्हणजे 1/2 इंटू 70 डिग्री म्हणजे 35. ओके, 90 डिग्री प्लस 35 डिग्री, then you will get the measure of angle AOB is equals to 125 degree. Okay, now see this here. Here the ray AO is a bisector, therefore the measure of angle CAO is congruent to measure of angle OAB. Okay, and the measure of angle CAO is equals to measure of angle OAB is equals to x degree. This is the first one. Now the next, measure of angle CBO. Measure of angle CBO is a congruent to measure of angle OBA. Again, BO is a bisector of angle CBA. Okay, let measure of angle CBO is equals to measure of angle OBA is equals to y degree. This is the second expression. Now again by the angle addition property, measure of angle CAB is equals to measure of angle CAO plus measure of angle OAB, and their sum is equals to x degree plus x degree, that is a CAB is equals to 2x. Okay, and similarly we have the measure of angle CBA is equals to 2y degree. Okay, now the next in triangle CAB. Okay, what's happening here? The measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle CAB plus measure of angle CBA is equals to 180 degree. That is the sum of the measures of all angles of triangle C is 180 degree, and therefore here the measure of angle ACB चा measure किती आहे तर ते 70 degree. The measure of angle CAB किती आहे तर 2x. CBA 2y is equals to 180. Therefore 70 degree. Take 2 as a common. In bracket x plus y degree bracket complete is equals to 180 degree. Therefore 2 in bracket x plus y degree is equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree. And if we simplify it, then you will get here 2 in bracket x plus y degree is equals to 110 degree. And finally x plus y degree is equals to 110 upon 2. Then you will get here 55 degree. Okay. Now the next, x plus y is equals to 55 degree. Now we know the sum of all angles of this triangle is 180. त्यानुसार आपण ते फाइंड आउट करणार. In triangle AOB, okay, the measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle OAB plus measure of angle OBA is equals to 180 degree. Okay, therefore the measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle x degree plus y degree is equals to 180 degree. पण x plus y ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती आहे ती किती आहे तर ती 55 आहे. And therefore measure of angle AOB is equals to 180 degree minus 55 degree, and that is equals to 125 degree. मी मगाशी तुम्हाला तो फॉर्म्युला देखील सांगितला होता, डायरेक्ट आपण शेवटचा प्रूव्ह केला होता प्रॅक्टिसेस चालू होण्यापूर्वी. दॅट इज मेजर ऑफ अँगल AOB. जर हे दोन्ही बायसेक्टर्स असतील देन द मेजर ऑफ अँगल AOB is equals to 90 plus half of this angle. That is the 90 plus 1 upon 270 means what? 35. 90 plus 35, you will get here 125 degree. Okay. Now next, this is the answer. In the figure, line AB is a parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT and ray QT are bisector of angle BPQ and angle PQD respectively. Then prove that measure of angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree. Now see this here figure. If figure baga, AB is a parallel to CD. Line PQ is there transversal. Okay. Ray PT. Okay. This is the ray PT and the QT. These are the bisectors of this angle. याचे काय तर ते bisectors. ओके, दीज आर दी बायसेक्टर्स. म्हणजे याचं मेजर आणि हे मेजर कसं असणार आहे तर ते सेम असणार आहे. सपोज दॅट द मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज एक्स अँड देन द मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज ऑल्सो एक्स, अँड ॲज दिस इज द बायसेक्टर देन मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज वाय अँड दिस मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज ऑल्सो वाय. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट सी दिस हियर दी मेजर ऑफ अँगल इज एक्स अँड एक्स आपण तिथे नमूद केलेलं आहे. ओके, as the BPT is a congruent to TPQ, BPT is a congruent to TPQ. Okay, let the measure of angle BPT is equals to x degree and TPQ is equals to again x degree. Next, the angle PTQ is a congruent to angle TQD. Okay, and त्याचं मेजर आपण काय मानलं तर y इक्वल टू केलंय. दॅट इज द मेजर ऑफ अँगल PTQ इज इक्वल्स टू मेजर ऑफ अँगल TQD इज इक्वल्स टू y डिग्री. नेक्स्ट, लाईन AB इज अ पॅरलल टू लाईन CD. इथे पॅरललचं साईन पाहिजे. ओके, लाईन AB इज अ पॅरलल टू लाईन CD. ओके, अँड PQ इज देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. ओके, नेक्स्ट, as these are the interior angles. कुठले interior angles होणार? That angle BPQ and the angle PQD. These are the interior angles and their sum is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now the next. हा BPQ दोन याच्यात लिहिणार आपण. BPQ means what? Measure of angle BPT plus measure of angle TPQ. Okay. Next, measure of angle PQD. PQD हा देखील दोन याच्यात लिहिणार. That is the measure of angle PQT plus measure of angle TQD is equals to 180 degree. Okay. हे पहिल्याचं measure x plus x degree. दुसऱ्याचं y plus y degree is equals to 180 degree. That is 2x degree plus 2y degree is equals to 180. Therefore, you will get here 2x degree plus y degree is equals to 180 and hence x degree is equals to 180 upon 2. X plus y degree is equals to 180 degree upon 2. 180 upon 2. Okay. Then you will get here x plus y is equals to 90 degree. Okay. X plus y चं measure किती मिळालं आपल्याला? तर 90 degree. Okay. Next, x plus y is equals to 90 degree. See this here. In triangle PTQ. आता या PTQ मध्ये बघणार आपण. The sum of angles of measures of angles of triangles is 180. मग कोणकोणते angles आहेत त्याच्यात? That is the measure of angle PTQ plus measure of angle TPQ plus measure of angle TQP is equals to, means what? Measures of all these angles, that is equals to 180. The measure of this angle plus measure of this angle and plus measure of all these angles is equals to 180 degree. त्यातलं दोघांमध्ये दोघांच्या व्हॅल्यूज काय? तर त्या x plus y is equals to 180 degree. x plus y चं measure आपल्याला माहिती आहे and that is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, the measure of angle PTQ is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree and hence measure of angle PTQ is equals to 90 degree. Okay. And in this way, we have calculated the measure of angle PTQ. PTQ चं measure आपण इथे find out केलेलं, that's equals to 90 degree. Now the next. Question number 9. Using the information given in the figure, find the measures of angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay. Easy question आहे तो. The measure of angle. This is the measure of angle. हा किती दिलाय तर आपल्याला तो 100 degree दिलेला आहे and the measure of angle C. हे दोन्ही linear pair आहे. Therefore, the measure of angle C, this is equals to 80 degree. What about the measure of angle B? Vertically opposite. तो किती आहे ना? That is equals to 70 degree. Okay. Now next here, this is the 80 degree plus 70 degree. 80 plus 70, then you will get here 150. Okay. Then what about the measure of angle? 180 minus 150. Then the measure of angle, this A is equals to 30 degree. Okay. Easy question though. Now let us. Measure of angle B is equals to 70 degree. Okay. Vertically opposite angle. Next, measure of angle C plus 100 degree. These are the linear pair angles. Therefore, measure of angle C is equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore, measure of angle C is equals to 80 degree. Next, sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180. Therefore, here A plus B plus C किती? तर 180 degree. Next, value substitute करणार. Measure of angle A as it is. B is a 70 degree. C is a 80 degree. And therefore, measure of angle A 80 degree plus 70 degree, you will get here 150 degree. Next, measure of angle A is equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree. You will get here measure of angle A is equals to 30 degree. Okay. And in this way, we have calculated the measures of all angles. Okay. Now, next question. In the figure, line D is a parallel to GF. This D is a parallel to GF. Ray EG and the ray FG are bisector of angle DEF and angle DFM respectively. Then prove that measure of angle DEG is equals to half of measure of angle EDF. Okay, this is the first one. Second, EF is equals to FG. EF is equals to FG. Okay. Now see this here. The first आपल्याला या ठिकाणी असं एक्सप्लेनेशन करते. As this is the bisector of this angle DEF, therefore suppose this measure of this angle is x and this is the x. Okay, their total measure is a 2x. Next, DE is a parallel to FG. Okay, and therefore here this is the transversal and these are the corresponding angles and their measures are equal. मग याचं measure किती असेल? The measure of this angle is equals to 2x. Okay, measure of this angle is equals to 2x. Next, हा त्याचा बायसेक्टर आहे. FG is a bisector of the angle DFM. म्हणजेच याचं मेजर देखील किती असणार आहे? The measure of this angle is also 2x. Okay, and the next, the measure of this extra angle, that is equals to 2x plus 2x is equals to 4x. That's equals to sum of its remote interior. मग याचं मेजर टोटल किती झालं तर 2x आलं. मग इथे देखील किती असलं पाहिजे? The measure of this angle is equals to also 2x. Measure of this angle is 2x. Next, if we consider the triangle, which is the triangle EFG, in this triangle EFG. Okay, मग त्याच्या एका अँगलचं मेजर इथे इथलं किती आहे तर x आहे. त्याचा एक्स्ट्रा अँगलचं मेजर किती आहे तर 2x आहे. Definitely the measure of this angle is equals to x degree. It means that in the triangle EFG, their base angles are equal and therefore EF ची लेंथ ही कोणाबरोबर असेल तर ती FG बरोबर असेल. ओके, आता हे सर्व आपल्याला स्टेप बाय स्टेप्स लिहायचं आहे. नाव लेट अस स्टार्ट. Proof. Angle DEG is a congruent to angle GEF because ray EG is the bisector of angle DEF. Okay, let the measure of angle DEG is equals to measure of angle GEF is equals to x degree. त्याचा मेजर किती आपण इथे कन्सिडर केलं तर x degree. Okay, now the next. Therefore, next measure of angle DEF is equals to this measure of angle DEG plus measure of angle GEF, x degree plus x degree, and that is equals to 2x degree. Therefore, the measure of angle DEF is equals to 2x degree. This is the first one. Line DE FG ला GF ला कशी आहे तर parallel आहे. EF is their transversal. Okay, and therefore measure of angle DEF is a congruent to measure of angle GFM. These are the corresponding angles. म्हणजे GFM चं measure. Okay, what is the total measure of this angle? This equals to 2x. Okay, and the measure of this angle is also that is equals to 2x. Okay, GFM is also 2x. Next, angle DFG is a congruent to angle GFM. Ray FG is the bisector. Therefore, what about the measure of angle DFG? That is equals to also 2x. Okay, and hence next, therefore DFG is equals to 2x degree. Next, measure of angle DFM is equals to DFG plus measure of angle GFM. Okay, and that is equals to 2x plus 2x degree, and overall किती मिळणार तर ते आपल्याला 4x मिळणार. Total is a 4x. This is the total 2x plus 2x, that is equals to 4x degree. Okay, next DFM. आता हा DFM is the extra angle. Okay, therefore the measure of the extra angle DFM is equals to sum of its remote interior. That is the measure of angle EDF plus measure of angle DEF. Okay, now the measure of this angle, this equals to हे किती असणार आहे तर ते 2x आणि या एक्स्ट्रा अँगलचे मेजर आपल्याला इथे किती मिळाले होते ते 4x आलेलं आहे. ओके, देअरफॉर दी मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल मस्ट बी, हा किती असला पाहिजे तर तो 2x आला पाहिजे. थेरम ऑफ रिमोट इंटिरियर अँगल्स. ओके, substitute the value. Therefore, the measure of angle EDF is equals to 4x minus 2x is equals to 2x. Okay. Now here the measure of angle EDF, measure of angle EDF is equals to 2 times measure of angle DEG, and hence the measure of angle DEG is equals to 1 upon 2 measure of angle EDF. Okay, and this first part आपण या ठिकाणी प्रूव्ह केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट लाईन DE. ओके, नाउ D is a parallel to FG. D is a parallel to FG or GF, and EG is the transversal. As these two lines are parallel, EG is their transversal, and therefore these two angles, okay, these are the alternate angles. Okay, therefore the measure of angle FGE, measure of angle FGE is equals to x degree. Okay, in triangle FEG. Okay, in triangle FEG, what we have their base angles are equal. Okay, and that is the angle FGE. Angle FGE is a congruent to angle GEF. Okay, and the hence as their base angles are equal, and therefore the side opposite to congruent angles are also congruent, that is a EF is equals to FG. Okay, isosceles triangle theorem, and in this way we have proved it, and we have completed the first practice set 3.1. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.